Imagine standing on a runway as a massive jet engine roars to life, sending shockwaves through the air. The ground trembles beneath your feet as a sleek aircraft defies gravity, climbing into the sky with pure precision. From the first fragile contraptions of the Wright brothers to the high-tech marvels of today, aviation has captivated humanity like no other invention. In this video, we'll explore the most awe-inspiring aircraft, from supersonic jets to vintage warbirds, and take a deep dive into the technology and precision behind them. Stick around, this is going to be a high-flying adventure you won't forget. When it comes to raw speed, nothing in the animal kingdom can compare to the sheer velocity of supersonic jets. The Concorde, a marvel of its time, could cross the Atlantic Ocean in under 4 hours, cruising at over twice the speed of sound. Military jets, like the F-22 Raptor and the SR-71 Blackbird, push the very limits of speed and stealth. Their aerodynamic designs slice through the air with minimal resistance, like a dolphin through water. Their powerful engines generate thrust that is almost unimaginable. These aircraft are testaments to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Just as the animal kingdom boasts giants like the elephant and the blue whale, aviation has its own behemoths. Consider the Antonov An-225 Maria, the largest cargo plane the world had ever seen. This majestic giant could carry over 250 tons of cargo, a testament to its incredible strength and engineering. And who can forget the Airbus A380, a double-decker giant that revolutionized commercial air travel with its massive capacity and unparalleled comfort. These aircraft are feats of engineering, designed to transport hundreds of passengers or massive payloads across continents. The world of aviation is rich with history. Some of the most beloved aircraft come from a bygone era, the golden age of aviation. Warbirds like the P-51 Mustang, the nimble Spitfire, and the B-17 Flying Fortress evoke a sense of awe and respect. These planes played crucial roles in history, their pilots pushing the limits of aeronautical combat and endurance. Restored versions of these magnificent machines still grace the skies today, a testament to their enduring legacy. They are a poignant reminder that even in the face of adversity, human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of exploration can prevail. Just as evolution continues to shape the natural world, aviation is constantly evolving. The future of flight is full of promise and potential. From electric-powered aircraft to space planes, the next generation of aircraft is set to revolutionize our world. NASA and private companies like SpaceX and Boeing are working tirelessly on space planes. The future of aviation isn't just about reaching for the stars. It's also about making flight more accessible and sustainable here on Earth. The future of flight is bright, filled with innovation and a sense of boundless possibility. As we've journeyed through the world of aviation, one thing has become abundantly clear. Aircraft aren't just machines, they're a symbol of human innovation. Whether it's a vintage warbird, a cutting-edge supersonic jet, or the futuristic aircraft of tomorrow, the world of aviation is full of wonder. The next time you see a plane soaring above, take a moment to appreciate the engineering, the precision, and the dreams that make flight possible. If you love aviation as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and keep exploring the skies